Hi, hello everyone. You can see interview is going on. A lot of HRs have come here. Now with me, HR, HR. What's your name?
I'm presenting services.
What was the thing?
Presenting services, maybe.
Medipatam. How is the process going on?
Actually, so many people are coming over here, and we are making an interview with the candidates. We are screening candidates. Actually, what we expected, they are not up to the expected.
So you want candidates, they have
More
to possess some more knowledge like that. But until now things are going good?
Yeah, not bad.
Thank you very much. And you're Mr. Rakesh is also, doing his efforts. In fact, a candidate has come. How are the things going on, Rakesh?
It's been so good. Meeting these guys, I feel like it's good to interview them. They got fresh talent. They're coming out. It's going on. That's all.
Okay, so do you think until the time what you mentioned, probably until 2 o'clock, you're expecting a lot of candidates will come and you will get selected?
Yeah, a whole lot of people out there.
All right. So we just don't want to take much time. We just wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hi viewers, it's a privilege and honor, a young dashing personality who is the director for this lovely event, TT Hub. I can see what I've witnessed, more than 2,000 students, more than 2,000 candidates, they have assembled. One thing I want to make it very clear, giving a job is such a great thing because, he organized such a great. Now I just want to talk to director Mr. Chakradhar, can you just tell something how things are moving ahead?
Yeah. Hi everybody, this is Chakradhar, Director of TT Hub Management Services Private Limited. We organize the job mailers and as well as we have coordination with 100 plus companies. Today in NIMSME, we are organizing with 30 plus companies and it is a tremendous response from the job seekers. We have already 3,000 registrations happening over there. Still the crowd is going on. So we may expect 5,000 around. Today 30 plus companies are there with 5,000 openings. So that's a great
Fantastic. You understand, giving, feeding someone, it will be a daily, one day effort. But, organizing and giving a job, that's a great, I can say that philanthropist efforts, what they're doing. I just want to say great luck and we wish you all the best because I've witnessed a lot of candidates standing and I can say wholeheartedly, thank you very much for this lovely because giving a job is a great thing. So nice. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, it's a privilege and honor to have Dr. with us. Now sir is a lecturer and faculty here. So since we are here, would you like to just tell me sir how things are going ahead?
Thank you very much. I am Dr. K. Vishweshwar-Reddy, faculty member and lecturer in National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Hyderabad. Today we are conducting mega job mela for all those students who have completed skill development and entrepreneurship development program, as well as we have also organized ESDPs, entrepreneurship and skill development programs in this particular institution for SC/ST, general, OBC and all categories of people, even women. And as a follow-up, we are organizing job mela from different segments related to IT, ITES, pharma and healthcare, baking technologies, transport, logistics, manufacturing and so on. And nearly 3,000 people are here today in the campus and 33 recruiters are here from different segments and they are recruiting the people. So hopefully we give good number of jobs to all the aspirants who have taken training in this institution and who are also from this particular city.
Thank you very much. That's what, their intention is quite clear. The knowledge what they've got, they want to transform into jobs. That's very nice of you, sir. But this just want to say a big thank you. Thank you very much. Have a great day, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Now you can see just this HR got a few minutes, so I thought I'll talk to them. So how things are moving? Are you enjoying the process? How many candidates have you selected? What's happening?
I would say wonderful and it's a very great honor to us to be part of this well-organized event. We are very happy to all this organized people who have well organized this event. So almost the even the program has started. We have came here by morning 10 o'clock. Slow by slow, the movement has started. We have almost scanned and screened the people, candidates of 40 candidates. So we have selected almost 25 candidates from our end. So it's a very great honor to us to be part of this event. Thank you.
Fantastic. So we wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello everyone. Now with me is Mr. Pradeep. Now Pradeep, his intention is he is going to select 60 candidates. That's the reason he is here. So what are your requirements, Pradeep?
So like we have different positions in our creative education. First of all, our partners follow our platform is one of like provides for the positions. All the education about the kids we are providing to the parents. We are mentoring the kids for all the parents of near and dear students of different schools. Even the students who are different size of programs like size of the robotics also we are manufacturing the robotics also and we are delivering that manufacturing programs in the schools and all the students of
Thank you very much. That's what Mr. Pradeep now. He's got his own requirement. So definitely he's quite optimistic that probably 60 candidates he will select. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
From bakery segment. Their company name is KS Bakers, and they are into baking segment and retail, and they are recruiting people on a large scale. So because we have trained a lot of people in baking technology.
Fantastic.
Baking technology, food processing, we have trained a lot of people under ESDP, that is Entrepreneurship and Skill Development Program. So they are recruiting for that.
Fantastic. That's what you can see the efforts what they are doing. Thank you very much. Faculty, in Vector, the efforts what they have done, you can see the results. Now, what is this, sir? Like we are.
They belong to IT and IT segment, Renal Communications. They are recruiting people on a large scale.
Okay.
We also have other companies here.
Okay.
We have Solutions. Right, and here also we have Muslim for client.
Okay.
This is another company, and two more companies we have here. They are also recruiting people. So there is a lot of demand for IT and ITES. You can see the crowd outside. More than 1,000 plus students are very much interested in IT and ITS. As Hyderabad is the IT hub. So
No, we can see the efforts. The fact is, HR doesn't have time to talk. I can understand because lots of candidates are coming,
Waiting
and I'm
also.
quite thankful to veteran and faculty sir because he took his time. He said that okay, since HR is there, we don't have to take their time. On behalf of them, he is talking everything. You can see a lot of IT companies are there. Thank you.
also different IT, ITS companies in the entire ground floor in 3 different rooms. Around 12 recruiters from IT companies have arrived here, and they are recruiting for their companies. Like we have different companies, like we have Virtus IT India here, and one more company, Software Innovative and Technologies, and one more company, OIAS Innovative Technologies, which is here. So we have
Sir,
different
now
companies.
my question is like all these companies are here. Do you think like the candidates who are here will they get sufficient opportunities or how is the working out like?
No, actually they are coming with their resume.
Okay.
So they are screening their resume.
Okay.
A preliminary round of interview will be taken.
Okay.
And they will be shortlisted. They'll be given a letter of intent initially.
Okay.
So if they want to have further interviews, round 2, round 3, it will be held in their respective companies.
All right. So what you mean to say is that at this point in time, they're just screening the candidates, and once they are good enough, then they'll go for second and third interview at their premises,
If required.
if required. Yeah.
But if they feel they are good here itself, they are giving the letter of offer.
Oh, fantastic. You can see. Thank you very much, sir. The efforts what you're putting in, we highly appreciate because a lot of companies have come here. We can understand when I have spoken to sir said that since HR is busy, so I will talk on behalf of them. Very nice of you, sir. Thank you very much. David, we really appreciate, we really say big thank you because the efforts what you are doing, that's highly appreciated because, feeding someone, it would be a one-day effort or one-time effort, but giving a job is lifetime. I highly appreciate. So would you like to say something, Mr.
Yeah. Thank you for your compliments. Because NIMSME is a socially responsible organization of Government of India. So we give entrepreneurial skills trainings to the unemployed, educated, unemployed youth. because we thought, during COVID pandemic, so many people in lakhs they have lost their lives. So with a socially embedded, vision. So we thought we would have a job mela to facilitate so many unemployed youth or freshers to get into some or the other job. So that so there was a huge response, and Madam is also very very keen to have this job mela.
Who is the chief for this, sir?
Madam S. Glory Swarupa, Director General.
Okay.
Yeah, heading this institute.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes,
Under
yes.
her leadership, things are going
Yes,
on.
it's going on. Yeah, he's our senior faculty. So
And
this is
you're-
thing. I'm a consultant here.
Consultant,
Yeah,
okay.
looking after trainings and projects also.
Fantastic. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
nice
It's a
meeting you,
privilege
sir.
and honor.
Yeah, please.
So we can see, lots of candidates have come, and God willingly, we are quite optimistic. Best of the best candidates will get selected, and it's a great thing what you have organized. Thank you very much. How you are enjoying when you have come here? Morning. Yeah, if you want to get something in life, you've got to do some hard work. So definitely your hard work will pay you. Yeah. So we wish you all the best. We are young, handsome, citizens of India. Definitely, they are looking forward for a great opportunity. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Now over to all them all. Now we have the, all the intellectuals who are going to get a good job. So how are things going on? When you have come here? మీరు ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినారు? 2 hours అయిందా? ఓకే. అంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ వచ్చినారు, God willing మీకు ఇక్కడ మంచి జాబ్ దొరుకుతుంది. ఓకే. So we wish you all the best. You can see all the young girls, they are here and they are quite optimistic that they'll get best of the best job. So we wish you all the best. The hard work what you are doing. In fact, we should be quite thankful to all the people who has organized this event. I understand it takes some time, but definitely your hard work will pay. By this, we want to say good luck to you all. All the best. మీకు ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది? డెఫినెట్లీ మీరు ఇక్కడ గెలిచారు, కానీ ఒకవేళ మీకు జాబ్ దొరికితే డెఫినెట్లీ మీరు థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ అవుతారు. ఓకే. సో కొంచెం చెప్తారా మీరు ఏమైనా?
మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పండి.
ఎలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చూడు, ఇది కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఉండాలి. యువర్ మన ఇండియా సిటిజన్ ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? మనం ఇండియన్ అంటే
మాట్లాడతావా?
సంథింగ్. ఓకే. సాధన ఈజ్ విత్ అస్. మీరు ఏమైనా చెప్తారా?
మేము ఇక్కడికి ఐటీలో సెలెక్ట్ కావడానికి వచ్చాము. సో డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ గాట్ జాబ్. సో
Yeah, Sadhana is very confident. God willingly, she will get a job. NIMS, ఎక్కడ వచ్చారు మీరు? Thanks for NIMS. What she is saying is because the organizer who has conducted this event, she is thankful and she is very optimistic. God willingly, ఆమెకి జాబ్ దొరుకుతుంది, మంచి జాబ్ కావాలి. All the best. Okay.
And financial.
Which are the banks here? One I can see
it's
Axis.
Axis Bank is
Fantastic.
here.
And this one? Questcorp.
SBI related company.
Okay.
Questcorp, I think they are outsourcing for SBI.
All right. And what about this? LLB Finance Group. So you can see a lot of HRs are involved, and the best part is, our Mr. Vishweshwar Reddy, what he had confirmed is since HRs are quite busy, so he doesn't want to disturb them, but on behalf of them, he's talking. We can see a lot of individuals have come, and probably we are expecting best of the best results, and maybe evening, you will get shortlisted. Thank you very much. Thank you. Are here, and definitely God willingly they will get selected. The best part is it's until 2 o'clock. Until 2 o'clock is the time. So we wish you all the best. Good luck, guys.
It's related to banking and finance.
Okay.
We have here.
Fantastic.
We have HDFC Bank there.
Okay.
Named Buzzworks.
Buzzworks, okay.
And this is one more company, I think, related to SDFC itself. So they are taking people on a very large scale. So there is good demand for IT and ITS and banking and finance. These are the two sectors. A lot of students are interested in getting jobs.
So basically, how this is happening? Like these students who have studied in this institute are
Actually, we have
this for everyone.
Yeah, we have communicated to all those students who have trained last year under Ministry of MSME as well as under National SCSTF. But in addition to that, we have also allowed all the people from Hyderabad who are interested in getting a job here, who are unemployed, wanted to get a job here. So we have also invited them here. So it is not just only for those students who are trained here, it is also open for those people who are not trained here but still wanted a job here.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Supply chain and logistics, especially transportation department. There are people who are very much interested in this particular area also. As you could see, Navata Transport is recruiting people.
Oh, fantastic.
They are taking people. And we also have Big Basket, personal has come from Big Basket, which is doing very well these days. So they wanted to recruit people on a very large scale. So this is another important segment we are also looking
No,
at.
the best part is, it's not only for IT, it's for everything. That's what they have conducted. You can see a lot of, Big Basket, Navata Road Transport and Navata All. They are working hard. Their intention is quite clear. They want maximum candidates to get selected from different segments. That's so nice of you, Mr. Reddy Garu. You're doing great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Recruitment which is going on here.
Oh, fantastic.
You could see Vijaya Diagnostic Center, Apollo, and other healthcare services companies.
So you mean to say that they do have requirements?
Yes, on a very large scale, because this is one segment which is increasing by leaps and bounds. The number of trainees, the number of employees they require is very high. So you could see Apollo. They are hiring on a very large scale.
Oh, fantastic.
We have Life Circle Health Services.
Fantastic. That means all those companies who are
We
here.
have Vijaya Diagnostics, which is recruiting on a very large scale. So they need people. A lot of jobs are available, provided the youngsters, they tune themselves to the requirements of these companies.
And rightly said by Reddy Garu, what sir is saying that you can see it's a live things happening. Apollo is there, Vijay Diagnostics, Life Circle Health Services. A lot of companies have come into picture. Their intention is quite clear to give maximum opportunities. And big thank you to this wonderful person because they are organized in such a way where every segment is available. Thank you so much.
Companies related to manufacturing and solid waste management. They are also recruiting people on a very large scale. A good number of people are attending these interviews. So they are looking into different people with different skills, and they are recruiting people on a large scale.
So now you understand, most of us, we always have a thought process. We always think that there are no jobs, but the fact it's not like that. You can see maximum companies have come. So only it's the students who has to do. If they are quite good, I'm sure companies will select them, correct?
Yes, and we have Musubedo Seed Company. And the seed company is looking for ITI students who are technically qualified, ITI and polytechnic students who have good qualifications, and they are into seed processing. So they are recruiting people on a large scale.
Fantastic. So you can see the efforts what they are putting in. I hope maximum candidates will get selected. Thank you very much.
Companies,
Okay.
business process outsourcing companies.
Fantastic.
So 3 different companies are here.
What is this? What is the name of the company? This ICCS. Okay. You're Mr. Charan is there. Since you know he's got 5 minutes break, that's the reason he's standing. Thank you very much, Charan. We don't want to waste your time. I know a lot of candidates are saying. Wish you good luck. Hope you'll select maximum candidates. Yeah. Thank you very much. This is what is break. That's the reason he's sitting like that. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, solution. We don't want to disturb much. Thank you very much. Do your job. Thank you. The company? CIPL, one more company is there. Since they've got 1 minute break, so they are just having a break. So we don't want to take much of your time. We just want to say wish you good luck and hope maximum candidates will get selected. Yeah, thank you very much. Bring in. So ma'am, you're here. Obviously, you want to select maximum candidates. So what are your requirements?
I'm basically looking for people who are doing sales and marketing for the hospital. I'm looking for people some video editing of my surgeries or hospital newsletters, publications, mixing, editing of videos, all this kind of stuff.
Fantastic. No, how many candidates you are going to get, and what's your quota?
No, I actually haven't.
Okay, but God willingly, you are quite optimistic that you want to select maximum candidates, correct? Okay. By this, we just want to say thank you very much since we are running short of time. So we wish you all the best. Good luck.
They are also recruiting people.
Yeah, since you know we are running short of time, we don't want to waste your time. We say good luck, go ahead. But we can see a lot of efforts are putting in. Karvi, HR, they have come. Their intention is very clear to select maximum candidates, and we should be quite thankful to this organizers. In fact, our Reddy Garu sir, because he himself is coming with me, because his intention is quite clear. He doesn't want me to talk to HR because they will be wasting the time. So that's the reason on behalf of HR he's talking. That's very nice of you, Mr. Reddy Garu.
Thank you.
So I wish you good luck. I humble request, please select maximum candidates. Timley, so we wish you good luck. Okay, things are going on. You can see a lot of candidates are sitting there. So by this, we want to say thank you. Good luck. Hello viewers. Now you understand how things are happening. A lot of students have come here in this MSME. Their intention is quite clear to give maximum job opportunities. With me is Mr. Vishweshwar Reddy Garu. Now, what I want is how things are happening. Now, since you have shown each and everything, now what do you think? Like, how many candidates will get selected? Or is there any way? Is there any strategy for them?
Actually, we have a strategy of a minimum selection of 1,000 plus candidates. We have actually expected only 2,000, but as you could see the crowd, more than 5,000 people are there in the campus today, and they wanted to attend the training today. They wanted to attend the job mela and get jobs today. So at the gate we have screening. Then there will be a unique code that is given from gate to this another building, send-off building we call it as. There different desks will be there depending upon the sector. They will do the scrutiny, and after that they will send it to the recruiters who are there in this training block. And around 33 recruiters are located in this training building in different floors, and they are being recruited. And initially they give a letter of intent. If later stages, second and third round will be conducted in their respective companies.
So do you think, Mr. Reddy, like all the candidates who have come, definitely they will meet the HR?
Yes.
Because I can see lots of candidates away.
Yes, we are ensuring that every prospective unemployed youth who has visited this place will be definitely visiting the HR, and they'll have the chance of recruiting them.
So what Mr. Reddy is very clear is those who have stepped in this premises, definitely they are going to meet the HRs, irrespective whether they join or not. That is obviously it's their talent. Now, but what confirmation sir has given is definitely those who are here, they will give an opportunity to meet HR. Correct,
Yes,
sir?
exactly.
Thank you very much, and we look forward for a great success. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What information you have given at this point in time is like those candidates who are in this premises, you have confirmed that they will be visiting all the HRs. Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
So, but just to ask you, I can see lots of candidates are here. Do you think these candidates will meet them?
They'll meet them, but it will definitely take time because already good number of people are there at every recruiter.
Correct.
So once they complete, these people will be also given chance.
Okay, so you want to convey the message to all the students, those who have come from different locations, they should be quite optimistic that definitely they are going to meet HR. If they are quite potential enough, they will be getting job. But as you confirm that God willingly, more than 1,000 jobs you have expected that the HR will confirm. Am I correct?
Yes,
So
exactly.
we wish you all the best. Good luck, guys. You can see a lot of candidates are here. We are quite optimistic. Yes, I do understand. Since morning they are here. But definitely, hard work never goes unrewarded. That's what the proverb is. So definitely your hard work will be very useful, and we look forward for a great opportunities. If at all by some reasons, if you're not getting selected, don't be desperate, because one thing I want to make it very clear, this, jobs are not just one day you submit and you get selected. There are a lot of hard work is involved. As you want to graduate, it's 15 years of your hard work. So you understand, once you are here, if at all by reason you are not getting any job, don't get disheartened. There are a lot of opportunities are coming on. In fact, we can see a lot of wonderful people like Mr. Reddy, Mr. TT Hub organizer. We want to be thankful to them, because organizing a job fair is not so easy. They have taken a lot of hard work, so we wish you good luck. And in fact, we should be quite thankful to our Telangana government, because they are trying a number of options. By this, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you to wonderful and handsome, beautiful people. Thank you very much. Hello viewers, it's a privilege and honor to have Director General of National Institute for MSME. Thank you very much, ma'am. And I just want to tell once again the name, because the work what they have done today is amazing. Okay, now with this, I want to get the privilege and introduce to everyone. With me is Swaroop, Glory Swaroop, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Indeed, it's a privilege and honor. Ma'am, since today I have come here, I have seen lots of candidates are here, so I'm very happy. Thank you for that. So with that, if you can just tell all our viewers about ma'am, it will be of great support to us.
Namaskar, I am Glory Swarupa, Director General, National Institute for MSME, Hyderabad, Ministry of MSME, Government of India. Thank you, Mr. Fahim, and thank you, TV99, for coming to NIMSME and to capture the job fair happening today. We are very happy to share that National Institute for MSME is organizing the job fair today, and today it's an overwhelming response. We have not expected. We expected around 500 students, but it is more than 2,000 students.
My God.
Yeah, and we have to take the help of the local police officers, and they have responded very positively, and they came and they are helping. Almost for the past 10 years, we have been conducting entrepreneurship and skill development programs for the benefit of educated unemployed youth and women in the society, and we have been doing these programs across the nation. But for the past 3 years, we have been doing in the campus, and because of COVID, this year we have done many programs online and a few programs in the campus. And these programs are sponsored by Ministry of MSME, Government of India, under the scheme called Assistance to Training Institutions.
Fantastic, ma'am. That's great of you. Now, if you want to be specific, what are those online programs, ma'am?
Actually, these programs are categorized into three. Like, one is IT programs, other one is technical programs, the third category is women-oriented programs. Yeah, because our government is also very particular about empowering women and making them entrepreneurs or get them some gainful wage employment. So that's how these three programs we are organizing in our campus, and this year almost 3,000 students we have trained. So almost 95% online and 5% in the campus also. And
how usually you enroll, ma'am, for students? Like, do you have any specific planning, or will you give some advertisement? How students will come to know, ma'am?
The student enrollment takes place most of the time because of alumni students.
Okay.
Yeah, the students who pass out, who complete their training program, and after getting good inputs on hands-on training as well as entrepreneurial inputs, so they go and share the news across their friends and their classmates, their seniors and their relatives. That's how we get a lot of registrations. Apart from that, the print and electronic media, they help us a lot. Press is always with us, a lot of cooperation. Of course, through social media also we reach the students, and there is identification and selection process. So that's how we select the students. There is education criteria, there is age criteria. So a lot of criteria are there. We select the students, then we impart the training.
Okay. And ma'am, once student enroll here, what is the percentage of like job placement? Like once they get knowledge from this, premier institute, how they will get selected? Do you have any strategy for them?
These programs are entrepreneurship and skill development program. The main objective is to make the students entrepreneurs. Instead of depending on someone or instead of seeking job, the objective is to make them job providers, to stand on their own and to provide jobs for the other job seekers. For that we give all the inputs on entrepreneurship development, motivating them how to take the risk, how to identify a business opportunity, how to make a business plan, how to get the financial support and how to get other institutional support. All this information we give through the training. After the training we handhold them and we provide mentoring services. We help them to prepare a business plan and draft a business report. So we help them.
Fantastic, that's great, It's highly appreciated, the efforts what you're putting in. And definitely, feeding someone, it will be a day affair. But, giving a job, this will be lifelong. That's very nice of you, ma'am. Now, what I want to ask you is, how usually, people will get enrolled? As you said, one is alumni. Okay, that is fine. Apart from that, we'll give advertisements.
Yeah.
And how many batches will be there in a year?
That is decided by Government of India.
Okay.
So based on the demand, based on the need and based on the survey what we conduct and what we submit, so government gives us. And this time because of COVID, majority are online programs. But Hyderabad we have all the sectors. That's how we get the training programs about all the sectors: service sector, manufacturing sector, self-employment sector, so including the supply chain and logistics. And this year we got some programs in healthcare sector also because of COVID. Yeah.
Fantastic, that is what you can understand, The fact is, it's like an hub for unemployed, you can say, They are trying the best. The best part, what ma'am she confirmed is, because that was the COVID, 95% things were online and 5% maybe offline, something happened. And I have witnessed here, I myself have seen so many candidates, waiting for the job, and they are quite optimistic, maximum they will get selected. And what I want to ask you, ma'am, since we are here, any valuable suggestions to our youngsters?
Though we are offering a lot of skills to them, how to face this and recruiters, how to face the recruiters with a lot of presentation skills, personality development skills. Likewise, one thing I forgot actually, I am very happy to share that next week on 10th of February we are organizing Loan Mela.
Wow.
This is a regular activity we do every year. After completing the skill development program, we conduct the Job Mela as well as Loan Mela. In Loan Mela, we are inviting the bankers and we are conducting series of workshops for the benefit of the these aspirant entrepreneurs and startups to prepare their business plan so that they present to the bankers and they get some financial assistance.
So you mean to say those candidates who have studied here, for them this Loan Mela, or it is for everyone?
It is for the society and for the community.
Okay.
It is for our students as well as for the community. We spread across the information through press and electronic media and social media and through other contacts also. Because this is basically capacity building institutions for the officials. Through them also we spread this information, we promote. That's how we get more aspirant students or entrepreneurs for Job Mela and Loan Mela.
Fantastic, ma'am. That's how, it was indeed a privilege and honor. And what ma'am she had confirmed, it's quite clear. Her intention is quite clear. In fact, she was quite using the word, you have to have an attitude of gratitude. That's what Government of India, in fact, Government of Telangana, all they are supporting. In fact, she had said thank you to police officers also, because, when she was expecting only 500 students will turn up, but more than 3,000 plus 3,500 students came. Local police supported them. By this, we want to say thank you to everyone and we wish you all the best, ma'am. We want like this people, like the way you have done for our community, for our society, for our country. That's hats off to you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Indeed, it's a privilege and honor. That's very nice, ma'am. If one suggestion, if you can.
Yeah. My sincere suggestion to all the youngsters and students and women, This COVID is a crisis, and this crisis we should make an opportunity, and we should be very positive. We should be very positive, and we should be hopeful. Sorry. And we should always keep learning, and we should equip ourselves with more skills. There are several reports that the joblessness has increased. When we look at March, it was only hardly 8% or so, but after COVID, it has risen to 28%. So we can imagine the plight of the society and the community and the sector. So we have to equip ourselves, like making a good CV and presenting ourselves, and preparing ourselves as per the sector need, as per the recruiter need. And there are a lot of opportunities in India for the youngsters to start self-employment activity, and there is a system in place created by government to start an enterprising activity. And there are financial institutions, there are technology institutions, there are research and development institutions, and above all, so National Institute for MSME to help to build the capacity of the institutions and to handhold and facilitate. So you have to make use of all this facility and take maximum benefit and to be successful. That is my sincere request to all of you, and we are here to help you in the services of nation for the promotion and development of MSMEs. Thank you very much.
Fantastic, ma'am. Ma'am, since I have one question which is very important. Ma'am, now this is all for students, or if a young entrepreneur wants to avail some loans or some benefits, do you have something for them, ma'am?
Yeah, we have entrepreneurship development cell. So once any entrepreneur enter this campus, so we facilitate lot of information, and we give lot of knowledge and skills. For example, how to register themselves in Ministry of MSME or Industries Department portal. There is a process called Udyam registration. We help them, and when they have this Udyam registration number, so any banker or any institution, so they will be encouraged to help them with further assistance. Likewise, GST number, if they are an existing entrepreneur, so to claim, to file their returns in GST, or to get back their returns, so we help them. Like that, there are several facilities, and we have an incubation center here, Livelihood Business Incubation Center, and I am very happy to share that we have given a call in the local society, and we want to encourage more women entrepreneurs, and 5 women entrepreneurs, they have come forward, and we have provided them the space and machinery in fashion technology, in baking technology, in tissue paper making. They are producing their product and they are marketing. We are here very happy. So they are they have become the entrepreneurs, and they have created employment opportunities for 4 people here. So that's how we have bunch of options and opportunities here, and we are always in the services of MSMEs and for the nation.
Fantastic. This is what the candid man, the way ma'am had explained, it's like, the knowledge what she's got is like an ocean, everything crystal clear. Her intention is quite clear that it has to be benefited to everyone. That's very nice of you, ma'am. Indeed, it's a privilege and honor. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.